Hi, this is the weekly update for Mr. Fix's science class for the week of February 11th. Monday, we did the sulfuric acid and sugar demo where sugar was mixed in with sulfuric acid and interesting products were made, and so that was in-class demo. Then we did a Schoology Edpuzzle, baking soda, calcium chloride, and phenol red solution, where they looked at a chemical reaction happened. They had the name, the reactants, and the products, and explain why a chemical reaction occurred, or how they know a chemical reaction occurred. Then we did writing to Westfield, so they had to explain to the citizens of Westfield what was produced in the water when fertilizer from the water interacted with iron from the pipes. So they had to use this finished model. So here's the finished model. So it shows the number of atoms of each type in the iron pipes and the fertilizer in the water, showing that so these are the reactants, and showing that during the reaction the atoms rearrange and forming the products of iron oxide and sodium nitrite. And here's the total number of atoms that are involved throughout the reaction. So they had to use that model, which we made last Friday. So they had to explain again to the citizens of Westfield what happened. And then, after they did their initial rough draft, I gave them this. So this is self-check revision, so they checked to see if they had in their paragraph this information. And this is how I graded the paragraph that was worth 10 points. Then I went over an example the next day. So here's an example of a well-written paragraph that had all the information from the modeling tool in the explanation. So they have the opportunity to do more revisions and resubmit to get a higher score. Then we did chemical reactions lesson 4.1, the chemistry of the crime scene. That's explained in the slide deck and video. Then on Thursday, they did a little review questions. It's a paper handout, questions 1 through 22. We're going to have a assessment next week that they'll be tested on the vocabulary and key concepts on page 18 and 19 of the reference notebook. So here are the key concepts that they have on page 18 of the reference notebook, and here's all the vocabulary words they have on page 19 of the reference notebook. So that's going to be on the assessment. Then on Friday, we did chemical reactions lesson 4.2, analyzing claims and evidence, and we did that lesson. Oh, also on Thursday, they did the Edpuzzle, metal is more valuable than gold. Again, this is a graded assignment. That video involved this information about what catalytic converters actually do, and they use palladium to reduce the number of gases that are emitted from an engine. And this is showing how it works as a catalyst, that palladium does to convert some of those chemicals into more harmless substances. That's what we did this week. Hope you have a good weekend. Bye-bye.